Hi, this is sowmi, your 14 CS 116. I'm here to do the fifth lab experiment in case tools. This is based on state chart diagram, and here we are given with two questions. First question is to draw the state transition diagram for the following problem statement. This is we are asked to draw the state diagram for organization, and the second question is given for a hospital, and here in star UML the tools used for stars state diagram is state, initial state is used and final state is used, and here synchronization is used for two or more options, and transition is used for connecting the initial state and all other states together. This dotted line is used for initial state and it ends with a final state here in this process. Starting with the initial state, this consists of one state called complain about the product, and another state it goes with email IDs assigned for each product, and customer sends the mail to specified mail ID, and synchronization is done here to whether replace or rectify the mail ID, and other synchronization is given, and the mail is being sent by the customer is converted into a complaint. The person handles the mail as a complaint here in this state, and in next state, person who handles the complaint comments the person for the customer, and the person communicates with each customer to the mail ID given, and the last state is given as mail is received from the customer for the product and is goes to final state. This is the scenario for the given first question. And second one, we are asked to draw a patient billing software system that is important for an hospital, and here that is given here in state as the same state is used, final state, initial state, and transition and synchronization is used. Starts with an initial state. Patient billing machine is given as one state, and next one local software is given, and the third state is given as location of the bed, and synchronization is done here as bed as ward or ICU, and this is synchronized with the location of the patient. Store the location of the patient or name for the billing is done, and synchronization process done here for test performed or operation performed. If test is performed, charges for additional test is required, or operation is performed, charges for operation is required. Synchronization is done with the store of action done to the patient, and billing machine stores the location of all those details given, and it prints the detail in the printing machine in this format and goes to the final state here.